Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a tutorial video. Today we are going to learn this crochet headband, rose headband for baby up to 0 to 6 months size. So this is a rose headband, lilac color rose headband, and band is of white color. So we'll begin with this with the tutorial of this. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's begin. To make this headband, we need this lilac color yarn. You can use any color of your choice, and for the band we are using white color yarn. These are baby soft wool and fuzz free wool. So and I'm using 3.5 mm hook, one pair of scissors, and we would be needing thread and sewing needle. So only these items we should require. Okay, so let's begin. So I am beginning with the rose. To make the rose, we will do one knot, chain 48 will make 1 2 3 4 5 48 chains. I'm done with 48 chains. Okay, now in each of the chain, skip first one, and in each of the chain we will do one single crochet. One single crochet in each of the chain. Okay, let me move this. It will impact the focus of the camera. So in each of the chain we'll do one single crochet. I'll meet you at the end. Okay, done with this row of single crochet. Now we'll begin with chain 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then in very first stitch we will do one double crochet. Okay, now skip one, and in second one we will do one double crochet, chain 2, and in same stitch we will do one double crochet, skip one, and in second stitch we will do one double crochet, again chain 2, in same stitch one double crochet. So what method we are following is double crochet, chain 2, one double crochet in same stitch, then skip one, double crochet, chain 2, one double crochet in same stitch, again skip one, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in same stitch, skip one, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in same stitch, skip one, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in same stitch. This method we are going to follow until we reach the end of this row. Okay, now I'm done with this row. Now turn your work, chain 2, and in this first loop, so we are going to work the petals now in these loops. 1 2 3 4 5, like this. So in this first loop we'll make one double crochet, 2 3 4 5 and 6, and then chain 2, and in this loop we will insert our hook and we'll make a slip stitch, again chain 2, and in this next loop we will do 6 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. chain 2, and in this next loop we will do 1 slip knot. Again chain 2, in this loop we will do 6 double crochets, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Chain 2, in this loop we will do 1 slip stitch and chain 2, and again 6 double crochets. Like this we will make leaves until we reach the end. Now I'm done with the petals. In total I have made 24 petals. I have fastened the thread. Now from this side, the back side, we will just roll it. If you want to secure it with fabric glue, you can just apply the glue here and turn it like this. So this is how it will turn into a rose. This is the back. Now I want to secure it with thread, so I'll do it like this. Just make sure all the layers are covered with the needle and we are good. We won't close it now. So the rose is secured perfectly. I will leave it like this. Okay. Now I will make the band with white color yarn. One knot and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. I will make 56 chains. For newborn size I'll make 56 chains, and above that you can do 60 chains or 65 chains according to the size. I'm done with 26 chains. Okay, now I will join this round like this with a slip knot and chain 1 and chain 1 more. So chain 2 in total, and then in very first loop we will do 1 double crochet. In second one we'll again do 1 double crochet. In third one also 1 double crochet. Fourth one also 1 double crochet. Fifth one also 1 double crochet, and likewise we will do total 56 double crochets in this round. And for headband it is very easy to make the headband band part. So like this we will cover this row with 1 double crochet, and we'll make similar 2 more rows above this. Above this double crochet 2 more rows we will make. So total 3 or 4 rows of double crochet you can make for the band. Done with row 1 of double crochet, chain 2 and making row 2 of double crochet. It is very simple, just 1 double crochet on top of every single stitch. At the end of every row you should be having 56 double crochets. So I am going to make 1 more row like this. In total 3 rows I'm going to make, and then we'll attach the rows on this band. Okay, so I'll meet you once I'm done with all 3 rows. Okay, here I have completed the 3rd row. Now we will join it with a slip knot and chain one, cut the thread, fasten the thread and secure it at the back side like this. Okay, now we will leave it like this only, because anyways we are going to attach the flower here, so we'll cover that thread in the stitching. So this is the band. Okay, now remember I told you to not to cut this thread, and leave it like this. Now we will attach it here where we begin the stitch. We will hide it, this stitch, join with this rose. So we will attach this rose here like this. We will cover this thread also in the stitching. So like this we are going to stitch. This way we will be able to complete this headband. Attach the entire rose very well, otherwise it will loosen very quickly. So our headband is almost done. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. For any doubts or any suggestions, comment section is always open for you guys. You can always comment me. For the new ones, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And here it is done. The beautiful rose headband, baby headband, is complete. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much. Have a good day.